Good evening, everyone. Welcome to special episode of Market Analysis. On 27th of May, I have given 4 stock for intraday, 3 stock for intraday, and 1 stock for swing trade. I will review those. Like first one is a TVS Motor. I told you to entry at 650 and target is stop loss is 643 and target 1 is 660 and target 2 is 665. It hits the second target. And second one is L&T, and I told you to entry price is 1480, stop loss is 1465, target is 1497. uh, in L&T there is no trade because it won't touch the 1480 level, like all day traded below 1480. And one more stock is BPCL, and it opened at, I told you to buy above 472 and stop loss is 466 and target is 480 and 482. It hits the second target. It opened at 473 and it's the second target. And one more is, this is the swing trade Kirloskar Brothers. I told you to take a entry at 453. Stop loss is entry price is 358 and stop loss is 324. The target is 431, but it's currently trading at 366. You need to hold at least still 18 more days. Now I will give you for a 31st of May two intraday stocks and two swing trades, and also Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. First one is a Bandhan Bank. Like see here, last time it went and it came rejection, again it's going and today it breaks. Like this is, if the Bandhan Bank opens above 305, buy above 305, keeping stop loss of 299, target 1 is 310, second target is 313. And if it is open more gap up means don't enter, wait for till retracement. Once the price comes near 305, you can buy it and keeping stop loss of 299, and you can try the both targets. And also you can trial your stop loss whenever you are in profit. And next stock is Dabur India. Dabur India is a swing trade. Like 520 is the very good support at Dabur India. Every time it's rejecting, and it's this is the trend line. It's every time it's coming to this trend line and it's bounce backing. Like this time also same happen. Like it bounce back and again it's taking retracement. You buy above 530 and keeping stop loss of 519. Target 1 is 553, target 2 is 570. You need to hold at least 12 days for this one. Target 1 is, if you are in profit, if you are taking any, you can book partial profit as well. And first target is 553 and second target is 570. At least you need to hold 12 days. And second stock is Adani Ports. See here, every time it's coming in this range, it's rejecting. This is the day chart. Like from 4th May till now, it's not crossed this level. Every time it's rejecting, every time it's going this level and it's rejecting. That's why today it's break this level and it came back. If the Monday is opens above 784, you can buy above 784 and keeping stop loss of 764. And first target is 795 and also second target is 800. This is the intraday stock. And next stock is Amara Raja Battery. Amara Raja Battery is a swing trade. Like actually from January till now it's corrected more than 24%. On January 11th it's trading at 1030. Now currently it's trading 743. And also it's taking support in this level in 470, 740, 700 level, and you can take an entry in this trade like 743 to 749, keeping stop loss of 729. Target 1 is 800 and target 2 is 824. At least you should hold 10 to 12 days. And coming to the Nifty is in all time high. Like currently Nifty supports are like, as per the open interest, Nifty current resistance is 15,500, support is 15,400. Like on Monday it will be trading. If it is open flat, then we can expect some fall. Like see here, if it's open below this point, if it is open flat, like if it is open in this range like 15,453 or a 15,400, in this level if it is open, means we can expect some selling pressure in Nifty. And also if it is open more gap up, then there will be an 15,500 is the more open interest, and we can expect some resistance over there. And if it is cross, means it will act as a again support. And coming to the bank nifty, the bank nifty is currently trading at 35,400. At last time what happened, the nifty is trading around 15,000. The bank nifty traded at 37,000. But this time the bank nifty is still underperforming, but nifty doing well. The banking sector, from last week the SBI rallied more than 12%, and HDFC rallied very good, and also Axis Bank and ICICI Bank. And currently the bank nifty levels are like this. If the bank nifty opens on Monday, if the bank nifty opens flat, like if it is open in this range 3586 or else 35, if it is open below 35,000, then I can expect some fall towards downside. 34,500 near 35,400 is the next support. And if it is open more gap up, 35,500 is the next target. As per the open interest, 35,500 is a good resistance, and 35,000 is a good support. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share and subscribe to our channel. Please share this video with your trading community. And also, if you are taking any trades on my recommendation, please consult your financial advisor, or you can do your own analysis. And I'm not responsible for your profit and loss.